Alright y'all, so this time we have a challenge locking device that really lives up to its name. One shitty lock. I didn't make this up. That's how I got it. That's a real deal. It's by the one and only Steel Pinnings. I kid you not. That's what it has on the key tag. One shitty lock. So yeah, and it kind of is, to be honest with you. It's just nasty and funky. Usually I love Schlags. This one not so much. And I'm guessing it's a 5-pinner by the size. I think this is the key. Yeah, here's the key. I believe this is the key for it. Let's see. Yeah. But yeah, usually what I do is I'll drop my shotgun in the bottom and pick it with my, what I call my master key for Schlags. It's one of these Sparrows picks. But this one right here, it's so freaking shitty, I must say, because that's what it's called. What I ended up doing, just a few minutes ago, I picked it for the first time, and I'm going to try it again on camera. I'll show you. What I did was, let me see, let's try it clockwise first. I'll show you what I did. Because it is one shitty lock. I know it'll work. What I did was I just took one of my new 15,000s from Sparrows. Like how they did those picks. It's actually lasered out of the handle. I love them, man. But these are special occasion picks, you know, not everyday picks. They're real thin. But for this particular lock, I just went right from the bottom. Oh, you know what? Let's go counterclockwise, I think is what I did. I went right from the bottom and I worked it from there. Because it is one shitty lock. It would not cooperate the way I normally pick them. And it's not cooperating now. It's really tough to get the pins to move, which is why I couldn't pick it the normal way I usually do them. The pins just won't move. I mean, they really get stuck. And I really don't like using this pick on it, but what the heck. Yep, it's not cooperating again. It's one shitty lock. What can I say? It's just so nasty. Well, I thought I'd do it. It's just so nasty up in there. But yeah, I just stuck this pick in the bottom. Okay, I mean, we get a false set like I did before, but it's just nasty, man. No two ways about it. Okay, it just went deeper, but that doesn't mean a whole lot till we're open. We don't want a false set, we want it open. Definitely some funkiness in this thing, I'll tell you what. Real funky. I can't feel what's holding me up. I don't know if it's that dude here. Back into that false set again. I'm telling you, man, it's funky. There it goes. See what I mean? Just funky. But yeah, going from the bottom, I guess was the ticket, because when I was trying to go off the side like I normally do with the shotgun in there, I couldn't seem to set the pins to save my life. Just one shitty lock, man. I'm telling you the truth. All right, so now we're definitely open. Fair enough. Way open. And we do have a key, so we can go ahead and lock it back up. Keep it in frame. So yeah, really funky. I'm dying to see what's inside. So let's do this. Let's do this thing. Okay. Tell you what, it's nice to get one open. I just got some really, hopefully you've seen my recent video of double package opening from Chris Aarons and the Mad Hatter. I was actually able to pick this one already, which surprised me. This beast of burden right here. Beautiful Union by Assa Abloy. It's a lot more intimidating than it actually is. I mean, it's not easy, but I don't know. I'd say, and it's got that little Yale keyway. Just a drop dead gorgeous freaking lock, though. I love it. Absolutely phenomenal. But I picked it last night. Kind of surprised me when it opened, to be honest with you. All right, let's see what's in this little beast of burden here. From Steel Pinnings. See what we got. Just happy to get one open here. I did try a couple of those other locks that Chris Aarons sent, the high security locks. He sent some really nice other kinds of Assa locks and whatnot, and I didn't have any luck in any of them. Not yet, but I will. Count on that. All right, let's see what we got here. That was really nasty, so I'm definitely going to drop a shim in there if I can. Yeah. Oh, are you kidding me? There's not a key pin in number 2. You know what? I really don't like that. If there's not a key pin up in there or something, yeah, I don't call this a complete lock. We'll find out. Let's go ahead and, yeah, not real happy with that right there. Not real happy with that. Okay. Let's see. We've got threading and everything. All right, let's see. What a bummer. All right, so let's see. Number 1. Yep, there's nothing in number 2. Oh well. An open's an open, but I don't like that. Had I known, I wouldn't have even picked this one. Number 4. And number 5. Oh well, so it's basically a what, 4-pin lock. Yeah, there's nothing in there. Second one, it's not stuck. So maybe that's what they meant by one shitty lock. It's missing the thing. Maybe that's supposed to be the funny part. I don't know. Like I said, had I known, I wouldn't do it. But it is what it is. Maybe that's why it's one shitty lock. All right, so let's get a close-up on this. On what we do have. All right. We've got number 1. We got this kind of cool serrated, almost T-pin. It's not quite that small, but it is reduced on the top. Number 3, same thing. It kind of reduces down as it goes up. 4, almost the same, because that's definitely smaller. 5, almost like one of those bombs, whatever they call them. Driver's number 1, I'd call it double serrated. Number 3, triple serrated. 4, the spool type thing. And 5, I'd call that almost double spooled. And obviously this end is actually a smaller diameter, so it did work pretty good. I mean, I got tripped up in that little sucker, especially for missing a freaking chamber. For missing a whole pin stack. Alright, so that's how I got it. That's how it is. So it is what it is. It's one shitty freaking lock. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching, and tell me what y'all think. I just got a new logo made. You're going to see it. Where am I at? I think you'll see it down there in the corner. It's also my subscribe button now. So let me know what you think. I think it's pretty cool. It's just kind of, minimalistic or whatever they call it, and just casual. Alright, that'll wrap it up. Thank you all so much for watching, and to the few new subscribers I got, thank you so much. I hope you stick around. I know we're coming up on another giveaway pretty quick here. I'd like to do one before I go on vacation at the end of May. So either we're going to hit the 400, or I'm just going to do I guess we'll call it a grateful giveaway anyways. So we'll get something done before I go on vacation. Big Al, signing off.